This is the demo chatbot I have created yesterday. Let's see how it works. First we have to start. So type start/start. If we entered any string, it reverses the string. This is the function of this chatbot. If we entered a hi, it displays hello dear user. Let's see how it will display. Hello dear user. If we entered any string rather than hi, it reverses the string. Suppose I am entering my name. Let's see how it will display. Now I am entering another name. See, it reverses the string. Now I am entering another name. See how it displays. Now I am going to explain how I created this bot. Suppose first of all search bot father in Telegram. First start the bot. Next we have to create new bot. Then we have to give name for that bot. Then we have to give username for that bot. The username must end with bot. Then this message will appear if our bot is successfully created. This is the token for our bot. Ensure this message seriously. Now I will explain the embedded code behind this chatbot. See how the code looks. The first line is about importing the chatbot. Second line is the token that has appeared in the Telegram chat. This code entirely consists of two functions. 5 to 14 lines one function, 6 to 29 line one function. If we entered any string, it reverses the string. If we entered hi, it displays hello dear user. If we entered hi, 5 to 14 lines will handle the string. If we entered any other string rather than hi, 16 to 29 lines will handle the function. It reverses the function, reverses the message, and it will display the reversed string. For running this code, we have to install Node.js and we have to create folder. To run the code, we have to